Have you ever used an app and felt like, wow, this is so easy to use, or why it is so confusing? That's because of the UI or UX design in the app or website. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about UI UX design in a very simple way. So let's get into the video. The first one is UI, which is the user interface. So basically, when you open an app or website, you'll see a lot of buttons, colors, fonts, layouts, icons, and all those things, right? So UI is basically the look and feel of an app. I have given the example of Instagram over here. And the next one is the UX, which means user experience. It's like how you feel while using the app. For example, whether it is easy to use, can you find the button easily, whether it is fast, something like that. Say for example, when we go to a restaurant, the aesthetic point of view, like interiors, the menu, fancy menu, all comes under UI. For UX, the experience the restaurant give us, like service, waiting time, comfort, that comes under UX. You may ask like why UI and UX is very important, because it make the app very easy to use, and also if the app is very easy to use, then the customer is like very satisfied, so it helps the company to gain more profit. So good design is always more user and more business. So that's all for this video. In next video I will teach you how to start your UI UX design from zero. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another useful video. Bye.